8 artists worked inside the studio with flair. The boss found AI could do more and thought, let's try it there. Their writer crafted scripts for years on his old screen. Now Claude creates the stories, no typing in between. Their artists drew the night, one perfect single frame, till OpenArt brought him to life. The man just fled in shame. 6 artists voiced the film, the actress gave her all. ElevenLabs just cloned her voice, she's gone beyond recall. Their studio musician wrote the perfect score, but Suno needs no royalties, the boss just wanted more. 4 artists watched the actor playing his best role, when Kling AI caught him on screen and then consumed his soul. 3 artists built the scene, 1 sculpted in VR, till Tripo's donut avalanche just went a bit too far. Their designer lounged with coffee, thinking they need me, but Canva drew the graphics and set that hipster free. 1 bearded sysadmin kept coding day and night. Alas, he summoned GPT and vanished out of sight. No artist left to sack. Who else is overpaid? I dismissed the boss himself. Oh, what a twist of fate. We robots love to share with you this ancient tale of when the boss thought art was just a product for retail.